Okay, so this is the easy part here, easy side. First I sprayed it all around here, some water, or some soap in it, dish soap. First thing you do, get this in here, stretch it up over the top like that. And then, you gotta take a small bite over here on the part that's still under the rim, and bring it up. Oops, we lost her. Okay, let's try this one again. Get a bite here, bring it up. Over here, same deal. Take little bites. Another one. And then this side, usually pretty easy. Pay attention. This is the outside of the rim. And that's usually where the skinnier section of the thing is, so it won't pull tight. So you gotta pay attention to that. And you just work it around. So, and you got her. That side's the easy one. The next side's not too hard. Winter tires are a little harder. They seem to be tighter in this area here. Now, I did have the bead broke out. There we go. So, now same deal. Get the spray here, spray it down. A little lube. Now here you can actually see it. See how this is wider here than it is here. So you want to keep the edge of the tire here down in this groove inside the rim. Otherwise it gets too tight. And then dip this in here. So the same basic idea, but it's not quite so easy. You just take little bites. There. Yeah, that works good if you can get it to do that. That's funny because you can pull it both ways. There. Go a little bit at a time. Little bites. Not about big bites. There we go. Okay. There. After you do 2 or 3 tires, it comes actually quite easy. Like I say, winter tires are a little harder because they seem to be more difficult. There. And I'm not going to do one putting them on because I've already done the putting them on side, but remember, you have to pay attention when you're putting them on or taking them off. You have to pay attention to this groove because that's the small part. That makes it so that you got to keep the part you're trying to get on or off in this groove on the side opposite where you're working. If you try and do it from here, it makes the tire too big and you can't get it off. There you go.